Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unique Fashion. I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet scarf free ideas, beautiful fall ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish handmade knitting variety, different designing, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Most demanding collection, most wearing collection, different ideas. Some are light color uses, some are dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, different variety, different ideas. Some are granny square pattern, beautiful. Most demanding collection. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, crochet amigurumi pattern, beautiful different free pattern, crochet handbag, beautiful crochet jewelry, crochet dresses. Very nice, beautiful ideas. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet scarf free ideas, beautiful fall pattern, fall ideas. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Bye bye.